Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission by promoting other people's, or companies', products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys something from the merchant's website, you get a percentage of the sale. There are many benefits to affiliate marketing, including it's a great way to earn passive income. Once you've created your content and promoted your affiliate links, you can continue to earn money even while you're sleeping. It's a low-risk way to start a business. You don't need to create your own products or services, and you don't need to invest in inventory. It's a flexible way to work. You can work from anywhere in the world, and you can set your own hours. If you're looking for a way to earn extra money or start your own business, affiliate marketing is a great option. It's a low-risk, flexible, and potentially lucrative way to make money online. Choosing the right affiliate program is essential for your success as an affiliate marketer. Here are a few things to consider when choosing an affiliate program. Niche. Choose an affiliate program that is related to your niche or interests. This will make it easier to create content and promote your affiliate links. Commission rate. The commission rate is the percentage of the sale that you will earn as an affiliate. Higher commission rates are better, but don't be afraid to join programs with lower commission rates if they offer other benefits, such as high-converting sales funnels or great customer support. Cookie duration. The cookie duration is the length of time that a customer's browser will store your affiliate ID. This means that if a customer clicks on your affiliate link but doesn't buy anything right away, you can still earn a commission if they come back and buy something later. Longer cookie durations are better. Reputation. Do some research on the affiliate program before you join. Make sure that they have a good reputation and that they pay their affiliates on time. Once you've considered these factors, you can start narrowing down your choices. It's a good idea to join a few different affiliate programs to see which ones work best for you. Creating great content is essential for affiliate marketing success. Your content is what will attract visitors to your website or blog and convince them to click on your affiliate links. Here are a few tips for creating great content. Write high-quality content. Your content should be well-written, informative, and engaging. Avoid keyword stuffing and other black hat SEO tactics. Use visuals. Visuals, such as images, videos, and infographics, can help to break up your text and make your content more visually appealing. Promote your content. Once you've created great content, don't forget to promote it. Share it on social media, submit it to article directories, and reach out to other bloggers in your niche. By following these tips, you can create great content that will help you attract more visitors and earn more affiliate commissions. Once you've created great content and joined some affiliate programs, it's time to start promoting your affiliate links. Here are a few tips. Use social media. Social media is a great way to promote your affiliate links. You can share your content on social media, join relevant groups, and run social media ads. Start a blog. A blog is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with your audience. You can use your blog to promote your affiliate links and build trust with your readers. Create videos. Videos are a great way to engage with your audience and promote your affiliate links. You can create videos on YouTube, TikTok, or other video platforms. Use email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to stay in touch with your audience and promote your affiliate links. You can create email newsletters, send out promotional emails, and use email autoresponders. By using these tips, you can start promoting your affiliate links and earning more commissions. Tracking your affiliate marketing results is essential for success. By tracking your results, you can see what's working and what's not, and make adjustments accordingly. Here are a few benefits of tracking your affiliate marketing results. Identify your top performers. Once you start tracking your results, you'll be able to see which affiliate programs, content, and promotion methods are generating the most sales. This information can help you focus your efforts on the most profitable activities. Improve your conversion rate. By tracking your conversion rate, you can see how many people are clicking on your affiliate links and actually making a purchase. This information can help you identify areas where you can improve your conversion rate, such as by improving your content or creating more effective landing pages. Make better decisions. Tracking your affiliate marketing results can help you make better decisions about how to allocate your time and resources. For example, if you see that a particular affiliate program is not generating any sales, you may want to consider dropping it. There are a number of different ways to track your affiliate marketing results. One of the simplest ways is to use a spreadsheet. You can also use affiliate marketing software, which can provide you with more detailed insights into your results. By tracking your affiliate marketing results, you can improve your performance and earn more commissions.